I need to travel now. Yeah, I'm traveling, man. 12th Street, 12th Street, and Goda Avenue. Guter Avenue here in Brooklyn. So, right now, let's just take a little view of this view. Let's take a view of this view. It's November 22nd, 2023. At approximately what time? What time is it? It's 10:35 in the AM. 10:35 in the AM. And it's cold. It's cold outside. It's cold. And yep. I needed to travel. I needed to get from one location to another. So I'm doing it. Yeah, I'm doing it. I'm getting from one location to another. I need to travel. So I'm doing it. Yeah. Thank you. I'm going over the highway, the Belt Parkway. I'm looking for a belt. Where's the belt? Traffic. Was that you passing by? Was that your friend passing by? Man, when I was a little kid, I used to think about that. Like, who's in the car? When you look at the plane, what they're doing in the plane? What type of people in the plane? Where are they going? Who they about? All those things. Curiosity. There were a lot of curiosity. Yay! We're going to take a street I don't usually take all the time. This is right next to the Belt Parkway. This is a on and off ramp here. On and off ramp to the Belt Parkway. In this section of Brooklyn. So coming up right now. Do you want some commentary? Coming up right now to Sheepshead Bay train station. So you can look that up. Sheepshead Bay train station. Also look at the tower up here. Deluxe apartments in the sky. Literally. So this is East 14th Street. And that's the Belt Parkway. The bridge to go over the Belt Parkway. That's a footbridge and the train next to it. See the train going by? Let me see which one is this. I believe this is a Q train. The Q and the B runs on that line. Lots of pigeon over here. Unfortunately, they have nets. Let's look up. They have nets here to start the fishing from messing on people, I guess, and lots of them gets in the net and dies. It's a crazy thing. This is the ramp to go up to walk over the highway. This is the entrance to the deluxe apartments in the sky. This is the entrance. Another on-off ramp from the highway. So we're on East 16th right now, East 16th Street. Thank you. We're gonna make a left whenever we can make a left. We're gonna make a left soon. We're gonna make a left soon. Gonna make a left, left, to the left, to the left. So just that would, this whole avenue here is Warranta, Voorhes Avenue. We've been on. Now we're gonna make a left on Sheepshead Bay Road. Make a left on Sheepshead Bay Road. I'm still looking for sheep. Still on the lookout for sheep. Any sheep around? If you see it, if you see them, let me know. The base is a little distance away, so I know the bay is here. Time ago, they had a fire here. They still haven't done anything here. Whoopsie, I have to pay attention to the ground a little more. The little town over here. This is a little town. So I needed to travel, so I did. I get from one location to another. I want you to see me getting from one location to another. I just did. So I'll be back. I'll be back. Adver vista. Adios. Sitanana. Goodbye. Bonus footage. Bonus footage. I need to travel. No, you can't cross here. I need to travel now. I need to travel now. Sheepshead Bay Road. See the train station over here? This is the other entrance to the train station. And the next side of the deluxe apartments in the sky is over here. That's the corner of East 16th Street and Sheepshead Bay Road. I'll be back. I need to travel now. Subscribe. Tuta Nana. Adios. Goodbye. I'll be back. Just another day. I need to travel now. Subscribe. Bye.